Hello, welcome back. Croeso nôl. Today's lesson, lesson 2, is all about greetings. Now, we're going to learn the times of the day. We'll break the day into 4 different times, starting with morning. How do we say morning in Welsh? Bore. You try? Bore. Very good. Afternoon. Prynhawn. Prynhawn. Evening. Noswaith. Ready? Noswaith. And night. Nos. Yeah. Nos. So, we need the word good now to say good morning, good afternoon, and so on. To say good in Welsh, we say da. Da. So good morning will be bore da. Good afternoon, prynhawn da. Prynhawn da. Good evening, noswaith dda. Notice the little change there. Instead of da, we say dda with a th sound. Noswaith dda. And back to the d sound now. Good night. Nos da. Very good. Little test. How do we say good afternoon? Yeah. Prynhawn da. How do we say good night? Nos da. Good morning. Bore da. And good evening. Noswaith dda. Da iawn. Very good. Well, we might also want to say what our name is. Now, my name is Andy. Hello. So to say I'm Andy, I will say Andy dwi. Andy dwi. I'm Andy. Andy dwi. If I want to ask, who are you? I will ask, pwy wyt ti? Pwy wyt ti? Who are you? And then you just reply with your name. Megan dwi. Sandra dwi. James dwi. So, I will say, good morning, I'm Andy. Who are you? How do I say all that? Bore da. Andy dwi. Pwy wyt ti? The last thing I want to cover is the word welcome. You may have seen this word on road signs. Welcome to Wales. And that word is croeso. Croeso. Welcome. And you're all welcome to my videos. Hello, welcome. Now you might have heard that I say croeso nôl at the start of a lot of my videos. And that means welcome back. Croeso nôl. Welcome back. So, let's do a quick test, shall we? How do we say, I'm Andy? Andy dwi. How do we say, who are you? That's right. Pwy wyt ti? And how do we say welcome? Croeso. Da iawn. Very good. Well, here are a few phrases. Do you think you can say them? The first one, we'll try out that one. Prynhawn da. Andi dwi. Pwy wyt ti? The second one. Croeso nôl. Noswaith da. Da iawn. Very good. Well done on lesson 2. I'll see you again soon. And it was nice to have you back. Hwyl am y tro. Bye bye for now.